Are you ready to level up? Hey guys, Tim here with Next Level Health. This is my breakfast that will not only help you build muscle, but will help you to lose fat in the process. Look at this deliciousness. All right, start off heating up some water in a tea kettle on the stove. Taking some extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you're using good oils like coconut oil, olive oil, or even avocado oil when you cook. Don't use other oils. Got a paper towel just to spread that around, get it all over the pan so nothing sticks to it, and it also adds a little bit of flavor. Now I've got 3 eggs I'm cracking into this pan. Again, you can scale the eggs up or down depending on your caloric needs. You may not need to have 3 eggs. Maybe 2 is enough for you, or maybe you need more. Of course, salt and pepper pretty well. I'd say I'm a medium to heavy seasoner. This is a brand of seasoning that I get from Costco that I really love, organic. I've got some garlic as well I like to throw on there. Again, add some flavor as well as great for your immune system. Try to have garlic on everything. And look at those 3 delicious eggs there. Personally, I like to cook my eggs over easy. It makes it really simple to put in the sandwich and not too messy, but you know, occasionally I'll mix it up. I might do scrambled. I might change up the way I make my eggs just for the variety and the difference. But as you can see, I'm doing them over easy right now. So my bagels are typically frozen, so I have to heat them up first. As you can see in the microwave, I put on the heat for about 50 seconds to get it kind of warm and supple. I know I said a weird word, supple. But mainly that makes it so I can just cut it up real easily, because obviously I can't cut it up when it's frozen. All right, I'm taking that over to the toaster. I'm toasting it about medium. I like to have it, nice and golden brown. I don't like it black. All right, next up, we got to finish off that ginger tea. This is a ginger tea blend that I get from Amazon. Again, any ginger tea will do here. This is just a specific blend that I like. This is my loose leaf tea diffuser. So I just basically pour in some loose leaf ginger tea. And I know it's weird, but I like to drink my tea out of a bowl. Don't ask me why. Something about it is comforting. Maybe it's the 90s kid in me wanting to slurp my milk out of the bowl after you eat the cereal. I also add some honey as well. Usually I only do this though if I'm gonna go work out right away, because I know I'm gonna use that sugar. If not, then I won't add the honey. All right, this is a scale that I got from Amazon. Again, 10 bucks or so. Really simple. You wanna have these just so you can measure different food amounts, get a consistent portion size. So this is the Catalina Keto Crunch. And again, I'm going to link a video up in the top right hand corner. If you want to see everything that I buy at Costco, then click on the link of that video. All right, next up, we got the delicious avocado, another item that I get from Costco. Again, link in the description. Now, you can scale this up or down depending on your needs. Again, I use about half a medium to large avocado. If you want to scale that down, you're more than welcome to just use a quarter of that, and that should still do the trick, give you good texture and a good flavor on this sandwich here. So, all right, throw the finishing touches on. I'm going to throw my eggs on there. And of course, no meal is complete without my special Rao's Marinara Sauce, which I've covered on this channel multiple times. In fact, I'll link a video up in the corner. I even did a whole breakdown of why I love Rao's so much. Of course, we got to squish that bad boy down. Oh man, and look at that, just ready and waiting to be eaten. Of course, I always try to add a fruit or vegetable, a minimum of 1 serving per meal. Ideally, you'd want even more than that, but for this purposes, I'm just throwing in an apple. So there it is, my full meal. We got tea to take care of the immune system and help digestion. We got some Keto Crunch for protein and fiber, and we got lots of good protein in the eggs. And of course, I've got to just take a bite for you guys, because if it doesn't get all over the place, it doesn't belong in your face.